Bime is all about data visualization, data analysis, and making clear dashboards. Rapidly explore, visualize, and publish your data using our web-based solution. These dashboards have been created with just a few clicks. Understand trends, relationships, uncover problems, and discover new and useful information. Create engaging dashboards for your finance, human resources, and sales department. It's now easy to monitor the forest of information and to analyze the individual trees at a glance. Bime is simple, quick, friendly, ergonomic, and aesthetic. Use it today with your own data. Bime will help you to create connections to any kind of data, to answer deep business questions, to create stunning and useful dashboards that you can easily share with colleagues, customers, and partners in seconds. All you need is your internet browser on Mac or Windows. Because Bime is online, you can access it anywhere, anytime. First, create a connection to your data. Bime supports several types of data sources. It connects to them securely and acts like a universal reader. What sets Bime apart is that it connects to two different worlds, both to your internet resources and to more traditional resources on site, such as relational databases or Excel files. For example, let's read this Excel sales file. Browse to the file where your data is stored. Click on Next and Bime will analyze the structure of your data automatically. Bime is smart enough to identify which information refers to time, geography, measurements, and which relates to indicators such as turnover. You can even edit and change your analysis elements and add calculated indicators. Save and quit. Now your new connection appears in your library. All your connections are stored in this central place, a sort of data sources catalog for you and your colleagues. It is now very easy to find what you need. Select your connection and load it. You are at the pivot table. This is where you can cross-reference your data and create charts in order to fully understand your information. It's very easy. Simply drag and drop your analysis elements onto this layout. This is called a query. You have several options, like filtering, for example. By default, Bime opens in the classic grid view. However, it comes with a complete set of professional tools, including many graph types such as multicharts, column charts, bar charts, line charts, area charts, spark lines, pie charts, tree maps, bullet graphs, gauges, radars, and heat maps integrating Google Maps. In this example, the multichart provides much more information at just a glance. The decrease in turnover for the hardware category year after year is clearly visible. By dragging and dropping more analysis elements, you can now display several indicators on the same graph. You still have turnover lengthways, and now profit is shown vertically. Who says a web application can be powerful? Switch to the visualization you want. Bime is all about data visualization, data analysis, and dashboards. It's easy, powerful, and secure. Bime saves you time. Graphs are ready in seconds, so all you have to do is make decisions. Bime streamlines the reuse of your corporate assets and guarantees a consistency of data analysis throughout your organization. Here are just some examples of what you can do with Bime. Finally, an attractive business tool. Once you find something you want to use during your question and answer session with your data, save it in several different ways. Click on Save and, for this example, on Dashboard. Select an existing dashboard or create a new one. Let's call this one My Dashboard. Save it and it's ready for use. Each time you wish to send a query to a dashboard, use the same operation. Now, let's look at the monitor. You can still interact with your data. You can scroll it and zoom in or zoom out. Select a series and filter your data. The dashboard is easy to build. Automatically, it displays information in the most effective way possible based on the latest research in human perception. The application takes care of everything for you, but you still have the choice to modify default options. There are several choices. You can refresh the data, rename it, delete it, and edit it. It is simple to add windows. Everything is resized without any particular technical skills. Here, you can change displays by a simple drag and drop operation. Bime Dashboard is easy to use and can help to consolidate different data sources in a single, highly interactive view. Each time you connect to your Bime account, you will have access to your dashboards. Their structures are stored securely in the cloud along with all related assets, such as queries. They are available anywhere, anytime, so you don't have to worry about having the latest version of PowerPoint or a laptop problem. Once you have created your masterpiece, you can share your dashboard with your audience and work with them without having to send large files by email. You have several options. You can publish it to a URL or embed it in a web page or blog. You can set restrictions by protecting it with password or make it available for a group of users in particular. You can even set an expiry date. This dashboard is now available at the following URL. Save time and improve the quality of your communications. Engage your colleagues, your partners, and even your customers with stunning dashboards to run your business more efficiently. Use Bime today. There is no initial investment. Costs are easily calculated, and you benefit from new features in real time.